Welcome to part 2. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Nicole for those of you who do not know, and welcome. So this is part 2 of the last declutter of 2021. I know I'm uploading it in 2022, but yeah, I'm very excited. This one is gonna be much shorter than the last one. I didn't want to make the last one about an hour, so I made this one a bit shorter. I go through all my eyeshadow palettes and also my lipsticks. My lipsticks I did go a bit faster just because it takes me a lot longer. But yeah, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. And let's get started with the last part of the declutter.
All right, this is the eyelash drawer. It looks so much better. I might even put like little eyeshadows here instead of over here, but yeah. So next, eyeshadows. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but let's do it. All right. Let's go through palettes. So let's go through the ones I know I'm gonna keep, like these ones over here. Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. It's a keep. My Pat McGrath, what is it called? Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey. A keep. This one by ColourPop, the Stone Cold Fox eyeshadow palette. Love for cool tones. Natasha Denona Sunset Bronze palette. Not even Sunset, bronze palette. Oh my god, like that's me in a palette. This Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow quad is also a keep because that's rarely new. This Glossier Monochrome's Essential Eyeshadow Trio Antique, gonna stay. This by Makeup by Mario little quad, also gonna stay. I think I have another one. This is a Makeup by Mario Master Mattes. Stay. Makeup by Mario Master Metallics. Stay. Oh, this one. The Nabla Side by Side palette is like a must in my collection. Look at that shadows. Look at these eyeshadows. This Charlotte Tilbury, I think it's the Super Nudes. The Super Nudes Easy Eye Palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. This Sephora S Clean Shadows. Do they still work? Oh my god, I love that shade. This one. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep all my Anastasia palettes just because I don't want to get rid of any. I mean, I love the Soft Glam one. This one, it's not much my tones, but maybe someday I'm gonna keep this Jackie Aina. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's super unique, as well as my KKW X Mario. I also have this Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals. Oh my god, look at that. This one doesn't even have to go here. It goes in my makeup kit, so that goes on the makeup kit. I also have some face palettes or like big bronzers, like this one by Marc Jacobs, which is gonna stay, as well as my MAC Hypo Real Glow highlighter. Love. This one by Smashbox. This is the Spotlight palette, and to be honest with you, I never use it. Maybe I need to use it more because the highlighters, it's not like super intense, so I'm just gonna keep it. As well as my Dior highlighter. I only use the gold one, so I don't know if they only sell this gold one individually, but that's the only one I like because this one is too dark, this is too pink, and this is too white, and they actually like fell off. Can you see it? Like yeah. So I'm gonna keep this Anastasia x Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I love this. Like, I never use it, but oh my god, it has like this, like Forever lid has like a little bit of a blue undertone. Oh my god. Okay, so this one, it's a bit of a controversy. I do quite enjoy just a few shadows from here, not everything, and because of all what has happened, I should just get rid of it. But I don't know, I'm just gonna keep it for now. Not because I'm very neutral in this subject, so I'm like whatever, like I'm just over canceled culture and everything. So I'm just gonna keep it just because I do sometimes gravitate for some shadows in this palette, but of course I don't share them online just for respect for other people. But yeah, it's my opinion, so I'm gonna keep it and just respect that. I'm gonna keep all my Snap Shadows by Fenty Beauty. I love them. I love how small and compact they are. Pretty nice, so I'm gonna keep them all. I have this Morphe eyeshadow palette, which I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep this one, which is the 24G. I don't even know if they sell this, but they have beautiful eyeshadows. I never use them, but I should use them more. Like, look at that. Or maybe add it to my makeup kit. It's a big palette, but it has beautiful shadows, and I never can get myself to just like not having it. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it, and I think I'm gonna put it in my makeup kit because it's a lovely palette. I always keep the Morphe 35. Oh, just for memories. But to be honest with you, I don't think I would. I mean, they're nice shadows, but I never, I'm like, oh, I want to use the Morphe 35 palette. You know what I'm saying? It's just more that I keep it for sentimental value. I'm just gonna keep it, just whatever. I'm not gonna think about it. What you want here, girl? This one, I love this eyeshadow palette, but I never understood it and I never used it just because I don't know how to use it. And I'm just like, is it even worth it? Like this one, it feels all dried up. I think this is like a shadow you need to wet a bit. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna think about that one. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one on the side. I'm just gonna keep these two. They're just two shadows from MAC. Also my Chandler palette from Makeup Revolution, because of course we love and stand Chandler Bing. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna keep my two Lorac palettes just for sentimental value. You know what? Okay, I'm just gonna keep the Lorac 2 palette and just throw this one away because it's old. I don't see myself using it. The shadows I used to like, they're pretty used up, so yeah. Breaks my heart, but I gotta say goodbye. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Well, I'm gonna keep this one just because it's Demi Lovato and we stand Demi Lovato in this channel. This is a brand new palette. I'm just gonna give it away because I don't see myself using it. TBH. Why did I buy it? I don't know, but I'm gonna give it to someone because it's very new, and yeah. And it's a Soeva. It's the Caramel Melange palette. So goodbye. I'm also gonna keep my Naked too. This was my first eyeshadow palette, like big, expensive eyeshadow palette. And I don't see myself using any of these colors ever, but just for sentimental value, I'm just gonna keep it. I have this eyeshadow by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. It's the Norvina collection. But do I see myself using these colors? Like, no, but I'm just gonna think about this one. This eyeshadow palette, glitter palette by Nabla. Again, it's very unique. Do I ever use any of these? No, but maybe someday I might. I hate glitter. Hate is a strong word, and I hate glitter. I just don't understand this, but maybe for a cool makeup look, I'm just gonna keep it for that. But do I see myself using it? Absolutely not. I'm gonna keep this MAC Art Library in Flame. An eyeshadow palette, but it's really warm tones. I'm just gonna keep it. As well as this KVD eyeshadow palette. Has pretty shades. I have used it just for some specific shades. I don't use it that much, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I'm also gonna keep this Alamar Cosmetics contour thingy-majiggy. Is it contour? Brighten and from Bronze Complexion Trio, which I do really enjoy. I'm gonna keep this Nubian eyeshadow palette. It's the mini Nubian eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep it, as well as this one, the Warrior. Pretty shades. I'm gonna keep these ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. This is X's and O's, and this is Whatever. And we have this BH blush palette. I'm gonna put this in my makeup kit because I don't have a lot of orange shades for blush, so I'm gonna move that over there because I haven't used them. They're beautiful, beautiful shades, but I mean, do I need another blush? No ma'am. So yeah, I'm just gonna move it to my makeup kit. I'm gonna keep this Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is a bronze palette. I know she doesn't sell these anymore, but I do use it quite a lot. This is another ColourPop nude eyeshadow palette. I think my mom had it in her bag, so I'm just gonna give it to her because looks like she likes these shadows. And yeah, it's a pretty palette, and I'm just gonna give it to her. I'm also gonna keep this Wet n Wild. I mean, I'm gonna, just thinking about it, I think I'm gonna keep all these mini eyeshadows. We have some Wet n Wild, we have these e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes, which I really, really enjoy. I think my sister has the one I like the most. Which, why does she have it? I don't know, but they're pretty inexpensive, as well as this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, the My Glamour Squad. Yeah, I really enjoyed these ones. This one, I just got it from an Ipsy bag. I love the shades. Am I gonna use them? I don't think so, so I'm just gonna keep it because it's a small palette. I'm gonna get rid of this one because I know I'm not gonna use it. Like, I haven't used it, I'm not gonna use it. It's a bye-bye for me. And then I'm just gonna keep my Jaclyn Hill, the Vault eyeshadow palettes. And that's eyeshadow palettes. Okay, I thought about this one, and I'm just gonna keep it because it's a small palette, so I don't mind that much. Okay, right now, because I have so much, let's see if you can see, I have so much space on this one, so because I moved a lot of my palettes just to this drawer, so I have a lot of space here, so I'm trying to reorganize my whole situation, but I'm trying to see how I want to do it. I have a lot of these Glam Glow masks that I'm never ever gonna wear. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear this. I don't think so. I don't hope so. So I'm just gonna throw them away. What is this? This is a Thirsty Mud. I'm trying to smell them and see if they smell bad. Wait. This is 60 sec. Oh, this is new. Okay, like I can keep these ones, but maybe give them away, not keep them for myself. Again, this is a new one, but I'm gonna give it away because me, myself, I don't see myself using it. Then I have these. But they're pretty old, so I don't know how long hand sanitizers last, but I'm just gonna keep the resting Grinch face. I'm gonna throw this one away as well. This oil maybe for my mom, she might want to try it. Pop Peru I'm gonna keep. Power Puff I'm just gonna throw away because it looks nasty. Where's the thing I've been cleaning? Clean everything because everything is pretty nasty. I don't know why I keep this. The little packaging that I find cute. Oh, Dios mío. That doesn't smell right. Ew! Let me show you with my phone camera. That's so nasty. That's a dead fly. That's so nasty. Ugh. Okay. Alright. So I think I'm just gonna fast forward this because it's just gonna be me leaning here, but yeah, trying to organize everything, make everything make sense. Alright, so for eyeshadows, I did put some here, my more smaller eyeshadows. And then down here, I put the rest of my eyeshadows, as you can see. And this one, I moved, this one was on in this drawer below, but I just changed it just because this is more setting sprays and like skincare stuff. I put back there the eyeshadow palettes I don't use that much, my gua sha, my little fan, and then right here I just put like extra stuff like my brush cleaner, my little razors I have here, some makeup wipes, these masks. I have my soap to clean my sponges. Then this one I just wanted for like if I have any backups of products, just put them here, or just like little extra I like for my eye contacts. You need to change them every month, so I just buy them from Amazon and they come, I think, 12. And yeah. That's it. Oh no, there's something back there, I don't know what it is, but yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go into lips. Okay, last drawer I'm gonna do is my lips. This one, it's gonna be very difficult. As always, I'm just gonna do it a fast forward because I do take my time. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video while I go through them, and yeah, so let's get started. Okay, let's start. All right, so this is the after. I had to put some lipsticks here because they don't fit here. I mean, it works fine. I hope it closes. It closes, it closes, it closed. All right, and we are done. Oh, done. And that was the final declutter of 2021. I can't wait for this new year, so we can try more makeup. Also, this channel, I want to make it a bit more makeup, lifestyle, everything I love. And I can't wait to share with you guys everything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below what other types of videos you want to see this new year. You can also follow me on my other social medias, which I leave, I think, on this side. Yes, on this side. So you can see more content from me. And yeah, I love you very much. Can't wait to make more content for you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.